Hey there friends, welcome to Madiverse. Here we share awesome mindfulness and well-being tips just for kids. Today we're going to be talking about a big adventure, moving from primary to secondary school. If you're curious about how to make this change super smooth, stay right here and let's dive in. Starting secondary school can be exciting but also tiring. With more homework, new friends, and extra activities, it's a big change. But don't worry, a good routine like setting sleep times, planning homework, and taking breaks can help you stay happy and energized. There are 3 rules. Get a good night's sleep. Rest helps you stay happy and focused. Eat a yummy breakfast. Fuel your brain for a great day. Talk to someone you trust. Sharing your feelings makes everything easier. Follow these and you'll be ready to shine. Secondary school is a big adventure, but it's not always easy. Sometimes you might not click in with everyone. And that's okay. You won't always be everyone's favourite, and there might be ups and downs. But don't worry, there's always a place for you and the right friends will come with time. Always remember, your friends might be feeling the same way you do. Sometimes they might feel a little down or just want some alone time. And that's okay. Be kind. Give them space when they need it, and always treat others with gentleness. A little kindness goes a long way. I've got a top secret for you. Want to feel better at school? Make new friends, and dive into a new book. Because who doesn't love a good adventure? Trust me, it totally works. After school, I tackle some top secret missions, also known as house chores. Helping at home actually feels kinda good. Who knew? And guess what? With some expert level negotiations with your parents, you might just score some extra cash. Time to put those bargaining skills to work. Family time is like charging your happiness battery. Spending time with them helps build super strong bonds, kinda like glue, but less sticky. And guess what? Your home is your palace, and every palace needs peace, so keep it cozy, fun, and full of love. After all the hustle and bustle, it's time to hit the pause button for the day. Going to bed on time is like hitting the reset button for your brain. A good night's sleep makes you feel fresh and ready to take on the world with a happy mind the next day. Let the snooze festa begin. Thank you for listening. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to smash that like button, share with your loved ones, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye!